Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the channel. Make sure you're using the correct profile. Next, open YouTube and click your profile icon at the top right. This gets you to channel options quickly. Once you see your channel, click it to view the channel page. From there, select Customize Channel to enter the Channel Customization Studio. This is where you'll change the avatar and manage branding assets. In the YouTube Studio, switch to the Branding tab because that's where the profile picture lives. You click Change next to Profile Picture, then choose Upload from your computer or drag the file in. Acceptable formats are usually JPG or PNG. Pick a square image. 800 by 800 pixels is recommended, so the platform crops predictably. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview. Adjust the crop if needed, because how it looks in the circle matters for recognition. After adjusting the crop, click Done and then Publish to apply the new avatar across your channel. That final step commits changes. Be aware it can take up to 24 hours to propagate everywhere because of caching, so don't panic if it isn't instant. If the avatar fails to update, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or re-upload using a slightly different file name to force a refresh. This troubleshooting tip fixes most cache-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.